This problem we're going to solve for x and y. I'm going to take a second to look at my triangle and see what I'm dealing with. I've got our right triangle, which is nice because I can always use Pythagorean theorem. But this is a 60-degree angle, so 90 plus 60. This one has to be 30 degrees, so this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is lucky. So I get to use two very important formulas, that the hypotenuse is equal to 2 times the short leg, and that the leg of my triangle is going to be equal to my side root 3. These are the two formulas that I'm going to get to use, but to use them I have to know what each of these segments is. So my hypotenuse is equal to 8 root 3. I always know as my hypotenuse because it's the one that is opposite my 90-degree angle. So that's 8 root 3. That's where I got that. My long leg is going to be equal to x, and that's right here. My long leg was equal to x, and my short leg is equal to y. My short leg is equal to y. I'm going to make that one green. Here's y. That's the short leg. That's where I got this. So now I'm going to plug this stuff in so I can solve for it. First, let's do the hypotenuse. My hypotenuse, 8 root 3, is equal to 2 times what is my variable that I'm using for the short leg. It's y. So this formula is going to help me solve for y. To get y by itself, I'm going to divide by 2. This is pretty easy. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is going to, and the 2 cancel out on this side, so y is going to be equal to 4 root 3. That's one of my answers. I still need to solve for x, so I'm going to use my other formula. My leg, which is what x is equal to, is going to be my short leg, which is y root 3, but we know what y is, so we can plug y in right there. So we're going to get x is equal to 4 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 3. So these two things under the radical can multiply, so this is going to be equal to 4 times the square root of 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, so x is equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. So x is equal to 12.